Dawn is a web browser extension that you can easily install and earn a passive income from. First, you need to download the extension from the Chrome web store. The link is in the bio. Once downloaded, you simply open up the extension section on your web browser, this little jigsaw section here. Click continue and then select register an account at the bottom. Be sure to use our referral code HT3EXV when you download it. Once the account is made and verified through email, you can then sign in and earn money. Earning is passive, which means as long as the extension is installed and your device is on, you will be earning money. Now you might ask, how does this extension pay you? Well, Dawn stands for Decentralized Autonomous Wireless Network, and it empowers users to operate as their own internet provider through the operation of a trustless system based on blockchain technology and hardware. You can participate in the network with the extension as a proof of bandwidth validator and be rewarded for doing so. For more in-depth information on how this actually works, check out our news article on IncreaseYourEarning.com.